In this meditation, we are commanding your reality to reflect your person confessing their love for you instantly. There is no waiting, there is no wondering. They will admit all of their feelings for you, and they will be forced by the law of your own consciousness to love you unconditionally this very second. The more you listen to this, the easier and more powerful it will become. Now close your eyes and let's begin. I am fully worthy of deep love. I am fully worthy of devoted love. I am fully worthy of authentic love. Love flows toward me powerfully. Love flows toward me effortlessly. Every barrier to healthy reconciliation dissolves. I radiate an energy that inspires openness. I radiate an energy that inspires sincerity. I am unforgettable to those who genuinely care for me. My relationships align with love. My relationships align with respect. My relationships align with mutual desire. I welcome clear communication. I release doubt. I stand firmly in my worth. I am a magnet for mutual love. I am a magnet for emotional honesty. My presence creates space for authentic connection. I deserve love that is openly expressed. I attract reconciliation where it serves the highest good of everyone involved. Healthy love finds its way to me with ease. I am aligned with loving relationships. I am aligned with committed relationships. Every day brings greater clarity in my love life. I trust that genuine feelings become known. I attract communication that brings peace. The relationships meant for me grow closer. I am deeply valued. I am deeply appreciated. Love recognizes me. Love finds me. I release resistance. I welcome connection. I attract people who choose me freely. I attract people who choose me enthusiastically. My heart is open to healthy love. My heart is open to mutual love. I deserve certainty instead of confusion. I attract emotional availability. I attract sincerity. I am worthy of being missed. I am worthy of being remembered. I am worthy of being appreciated. My confidence grows stronger with every passing day. I attract people who communicate directly. I attract people who communicate openly. I am calm. I am powerful. I am confident in love. Love comes to me in healthy ways. Love comes to me in fulfilling ways. I am open to receiving heartfelt communication. I attract relationships where feelings are expressed freely. I deserve a love that is mutual. I deserve a love that is undeniable. I am aligned with the love that is meant for me. Every day I become more magnetic to healthy love. I welcome connection. I welcome emotional honesty. I choose faith over fear. I am ready to receive genuine love. I am ready to receive genuine truth. I am ready to receive genuine commitment. Type, I am ready to receive genuine commitment to affirm and claim. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you need help manifesting your desired reality, if you would like someone to spoil you, if you would like someone to give you their undivided attention, If you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. It is literally a no-brainer to invest in yourself and in the love of your life. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.